Good day children, welcome to the tutorial class. Today we are going to do value education of class 3, lesson 8, chapter 8, learn to forgive. In this lesson we are going to learn how we can forgive, and forgiveness is the best virtue. Okay, so you must learn to forgive and forget. Unless we forgive and forget, children, we will never be at peace, at rest, and God will also not forgive us if we don't forgive others. Okay, now I'll start the lesson. Uh, every day we do many wrongs. Yes, we are all human beings and we do wrong every day. Each one of us are doing wrong. We make many mistakes. We are always making mistakes. You all know that, no? We make mistakes. So we offend others by our wrong and our mistake. We offend means we try to put others, we feel bad about it, no, we feel they are hurt by what we are doing. So by what wrong we are doing and what mistakes we are making, the others are offended. Okay, by our wrongs and our mistakes. We hurt others by our words and action. Now this is the main thing, words and action. Words, by talking ill, bad about others, we are hurting them. And in action, if we hurt somebody, we pinch, we push, we pull anybody's hair or something like that, no, we do this usually, no, I just did like that for fun's sake, but it hurts others. So sometimes we hurt by our words, by talking wrong about others, that she's, sometimes, no, we talk about others, she's like this, she's not a good girl, don't be with her, she's talking lies. Then you come and complain about others, ma'am, she fights with everyone and this and that. So that is, you are hurting by words, by talking bad about that person, that child, or whomever you are talking about. And by action is by hurting someone. Okay, so we do hurt everybody. We hurt others by our words and action, both the ways we can hurt. They may not like us anymore, and if this happens, when we hurt someone, they don't like us, no, so they will not like us anymore. They may not want to be our friends, and then we will be left alone. No one will be our friends. Okay, no one wants to become our friends because we are harsh at our words, we are rough, we are rude, we don't talk nicely, so they don't want to be our friends. Okay, how can we get their friendship and love? Now, since sometimes it happens, we just have just a small fight we have between ourselves, then we want to be friends again. So how can we get that friendship and that love back? It is by asking others to forgive us. Best thing is, you have to ask for forgiveness. To forgive, say sorry. It is by saying, I am sorry, I am sorry, I'm feeling very bad, I'll never repeat that mistake. Okay, when we say sorry, they will forgive us, and if we say, so I'm sorry, they will forgive us, and they will also forget, and we will be happy again. She will also, that other person will also be happy, and ourself will also be happy. We become friends as before, and again, if one forgets and forgives, then we can again become friends like we were before. Okay, we are happy when they forgive us. If somebody forgives us, we feel happy, and if we forgive others, then also we feel happy. So it is always good to forgive and forget others mistakes, and if we do so, others will also do the same way. In the same way, we must also forgive others. As we want others to forgive us, we must also forgive them. We must say, never mind. If somebody says, I'm sorry, don't say, I'll see you. Okay. Say, never mind, it's okay. That also will do. Never mind, it's okay. That will also do. Okay. This will make others happy, and the others whom you have forgiven, they will be very happy. It is important to learn to forgive. It is very important in our life to learn to forgive, because forgiveness is the greatest virtue in your life. Okay, so you need to learn to forgive and forget. Forgiveness is a, here it is come, forgiveness is a great virtue. We all need forgiveness, we all need to be forgiven, and we all need to forgive also. When we forgive others, they will forgive us. Okay, so only if we forgive somebody, they will forgive us. We must always remember that when we forgive others, we will also receive forgiveness, and not only forgiveness of people but forgiveness of God. We make so many mistakes, isn't it? We make mistakes, so we must ask sorry to God. We must ask sorry to our parents, to our elders. Sometimes we hurt them by our words, by our actions, so we must try to tell them sorry and ask them to forgive you. And when they forgive you, you will feel very happy and satisfied, and be very at heart also you will feel very happy that somebody has forgiven you. And you too also need to learn to forgive, and best way is to forgive and forget whatever has happened, and remember the good about the others, and try to be good to everyone without hurting anyone's action, by action or by words. Okay, try to be good, kind, generous and helpful. Then only everybody will like you, and you don't have to be grumpy and grumble. Okay, so this is how we learn to forgive. We must forgive others, and we must be forgiven by others, and we shouldn't feel bad or sorry, or feel low to ask sorry. Okay, to say sorry, it's not a big deal. Say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, and that will help you out a lot in your life. We can only come up like this by forgiving others, and we also need to be forgiven. So this chapter of forgiveness is over. Now I will be sending you your assignment. These question answers which I'm going to send you are on page number 25 and 26. You will write these question answers in your textbook as well as your copies, and these true and false and the other exercises you will do in your readers. So I will be sending this page and the other page, and this exercise D you will have to do by yourself, because I will check it when we come back to school. I will check it. Okay, tell the class about a fight you have had with your friend. Now answer this question, and in these, suppose you have to just tell in this how you had a fight with somebody, and you have to answer about this question. Why did you fight? Was your friend hurt? Did he or she get angry? Was it your fault? What do you do to get back his or her affection? How do you feel about it now? These answers you will answer by yourself, because each one has their own feelings and each one has their own experience different. So I want you all to do this, and this we will be doing in class. And the other written work I will be sending. I'll click pictures and you will do it later. Okay, all the best. Do well and do your classwork and work given to you daily. Okay, children, all the best. Stay safe, stay home, be safe. Good day.